How's it going, you guys? This is Simply Joe. I'm chilling here with Aaron over at this nice park, and this is another How To's by Bros production on how to do the full planche for beginners at home. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is have a good training regimen. You're going to want to be doing push-ups and have a strong core so that you're able to stabilize yourself while you're doing the full planche. But once you've developed that strong foundation, the next thing that you're going to want to do for this move specifically is have your hands kind of at like a shoulder width, you know what I mean? And the biggest thing for this move is going to be your balance. Now, your hands are laying flat. I'm trying to get in a good position as you can see it. Your hands are laying flat, and what you're going to be doing is leaning into it and then extending your legs just like this. Your feet or your elbows aren't touching your body. Normally when you're doing this is more like a cricket, but this is why you're really gonna want to develop your upper body strength, because it's gonna take a lot of core and a lot of shoulder strength in order to extend, lean out, and then push your legs out, just like that. Whew. But once you get those moves down, it'll be way too easy to do that. Easy balance, a little bit of strength. This has been another super easy tutorial by How To by Bros on how to do full body planche. My name is Simply Joe. I'm chilling here with Aaron again. Make sure you guys check the link in the description. You can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel because we'll be having a lot more good content coming out to you. All right, see you guys later. Have a good one.
Thank you so much for watching that video. That was my awesome friend Joe. I really hope you enjoy these tutorials. Guys, I want to talk about something real for a second, is depression and pornography. I used to struggle with depression, and a lot of that was due to pornography, I believe, because it's such a high spike of dopamine and then it's a drop off, and it's definitely not easy to overcome. It's addicting, guys. It's more addicting than a lot of hard drugs, to be honest, because you can't get those images out of your head. So like, if you're struggling with depression or pornography or even anxiety, I just encourage you to let somebody know you're struggling. And feel free to check out the link in the description for my Instagram as well. You can check out, I do a lot of Instagram videos on, talking about loneliness, anxiety, depression, all that kind of stuff. So thank you so much for watching this video, and God bless. Have a great day.